Hi, I'm Noonies. Thanks for watching Adventures with Noonies. Today our adventure is at Woodland Mound on the east side of Cincinnati. We are doing Woodland Mound trails. I have no idea what that is. If it's all hike bike trail, I don't even know where the start is. I'm in a ginormous parking lot. It's a beautiful park. There's frisbee golf right across from where I am. Love frisbee golf. This trail is supposedly 2.9 miles and 285 feet elevation gain. If it's all hike bike trail, no problem. If it's in the woods, we'll see. It's about 6:15, so we need to make sure we're out of here. If it's hike bike trail, I can do it twice. So let's show you what the sorry, brain fart. Let's show you what the Mounds Trail is about. So let's turn on all trails and navigate and figure out where I go. Not sure, but I think this is the way I want to go. Hi, puppy. Hello. Good. How are you? Oh, something smells good. So I'm almost positive this is the way. The hike bike trail's behind me. But it looks like this might go around this way. You know what? I forgot my trekking poles. Let's see if we're going in the right direction. You know what? I don't think I'm bringing them. 285 feet. I think I'm good. Let's see if I'm on the right trail. Well, here's another trail down here. I really want to go in the woods. And since this has trails and not one trail is almost 3 miles, I have a feeling it combines all of them. So Season Good Nature Trail. Let's see if we're going to start here. It's a level 4, so maybe I should have my trekking poles. We're good. Woohoo! We're on the trail. Here we go. I smell corn on the cob grilling. I smell poop. It's nasty. Not sure which way to go here. I'm going right. I'm thinking it's a loop. According to all trails, I'm off the trail a little, but I don't know where else it could have gone because I didn't see another trail off this trail and I started on it. So either I missed something or all trails is wrong. No matter what, this is pretty cool. I hope it goes that way. Pretty. But through the woods is good too. It looks like this is the correct way to go. My phone just died out. I need to get my bottom to Verizon and find out how to use the thing I'm paying for to put my videos in storage. Just had to delete my CapCut, my film editing program. So, to make space, and I shouldn't have to do that because I'm paying for a program, so I don't have to. Have no clue which way to go, if I'm even on the right trail. But there's some interesting things up there. Let's turn on all trails. Okay, now we're on a hike bike trail, which is cool. We're getting trail miles in. That's good. So, what is this? Well, that's pretty cool. Neat. Parkour's trail, I bet. The reason I chose this trail, I've heard really good things about it. A friend of mine said she knows somebody who got married here. I can see that. It's very pretty. I think what we're doing is just like a perimeter trail of the park. So we just did a big loop around. Let me see where we go now. If you don't know what frisbee golf is, you throw the frisbee from a tee and try to get it into the basket. I didn't show any more of the frisbee golf or disc golf because too many people were coming. They were starting to play through. So I stopped, but my explanation for disc golf, if you're not familiar with it, it's just like real golf in the scoring where you have so many times to try to get the frisbee into the basket. So it could be like a par 3 or par 5. And what that means is you have 3 or 5 chances to get the frisbee in the basket. If you go over, you're over par. And if you go under, you're under par. And that's what you want. I was afraid this was all a hike bike trail. It looks like we're going back into woods again. Woohoo! Now this is a parkour's trail. Let's see. And there's a trail that way. So there's a trail to the left, to the right. I want to go on the hedge apple trail. Let's see which way we go. I think it's the hedge apple. Actually, we do both. So the hedge apple looks like it's out and back. Let's do it. Then we'll do the parkour. Well, this is cool. You get a little bit of everything on this trail. I've been stopping to video. So for 1.18 miles, and I may be going more because I kind of went off trail back there. It's been about a half hour, 34 minutes. So we're doing pretty good. What goes down on a trail must go up. So it looks like part of the trail went up that way. We're going to the pond. Then we'll turn around. According to All Trails, we're still on the trail. So we were right to come down here by the pond. So I'm going to stay on the left, and I believe that's going to circle around. Is this the pond? I saw water up that way like a creek. This is not moving at all. Let's see if this goes around. There's a trail that goes down there, which I really want to go down. But since it's almost 7 o'clock at night, no, we're not doing that. That probably goes around the pond to where we saw before. But all trails, actually that may go around, but all trails says to turn around and go back the way we came. And because it's late, that is what we're doing. Now, you know me, if I came here in the morning, I would go down that hill just to see where it goes, but we're not doing that today. Okay, it's 7 o'clock. Just made it up that big hill. And now we're going down on the parkour. And according to the sign, it's 0.9 miles down, so I guess that means it's 0.9 back up. There's a bunch of people here, so I had to stop a moment, and that's what takes so long when this vlogging. So I just stopped and waited for people to pass and get ahead. But here's the leg stretches. We're not doing them. I did all my exercises this morning. I still have 10 more squats to do. But according to all trails, it looks like we can go either way. So we're going to go to the left. Or actually, it would be straight. And I'll let you know. Well, this is pretty cool. I'm loving it. So that other way, I think, is a shortcut. Okay. Yeah. No, I wasn't there. Oh, that's because you go through that way. That's why. This is pretty awesome. Zigzag run. Huh. Okay. Well, that looks cool. There's not even a sign on it that says what it is. I don't have a clue. Looks like fun. Here's another fork. According to all trails, it's a circle. So let's go around and then we head back the way we came. We came from that direction and my feet keep wanting to go that way. It says it's closed September 20th through February 10th, so we're good. But all trails says we go this way. So we're gonna be good. It's after 7 o'clock. The positive is it was still somewhat light last night at close to 9:30. I thought that was pretty awesome. Let's see if I was right. We originally came from that area, and I said if we would have taken the shortcut, that would go through there, and we went down that trail, went around the circle, and came back. So according to all trails, we do supposed to go down here. We just came down the steps. Ooh, these little gnats are crazy. I was watching, I'm behind on the videos, Captain Jack and Bob Ross, and he had a bug net on, and I was thinking I need to get one, but I thought, no, they haven't been bad yet this year. So I believe this is the fork in the road. Yeah, it is, because there's the leg stretches I said I wasn't going to do. Over there to the left. So, because they were on my left coming down here, means we turn left. Just so you can see where we've been and where we're going. We came from that direction. Portalet, yay! That way is where we came, and then we went down the hedge apple Then the parkour, I'm not sure how to say that. I'm probably saying it wrong. So, sorry. You know what I mean. I think I go this way. If not, I'll turn around and go the way I came. But according to all trails, it looks like we go this way. And look at that view up there, out there. It's so pretty. It looks like this comes to a dead end, but we'll see. Okay, I'm wrong. So when you come out here, I was thinking this was the road because I was just looking there. I was looking out instead of down. So this just goes around and completes what we already did. So, yay! We're almost done. We came off the trail a ways, just a little bit, to use the facilities because I didn't want to use the portalet. But there's a concession stand, and I heard they have a water park here, so I believe that's the water park. Pretty cool. I could use it right now. So we're heading back to the trail, and actually my daughter's car that I brought here is right up there. But we're going to be official and finish this trail. I'm glad we came this way. I believe we're going to get a nice view. I hope. There we are. It's a gorgeous day. I guess I'm finished with the trail. There's a part or two I went on that I don't think I was supposed to, according to All Trails, even though it was a real trail. And All Trails said I didn't do a part. The mileage was actually a little bit more, not much more. So that just means I need to come back and do what I didn't do. I was going to go back and do it, but it's 7:57 now and it's getting dark in the woods and the park closes. It's the Hamilton County Park and it closes at dusk. So I really don't want to get trapped here. What I liked most about the trail, you get a little bit of everything. It's so pretty. You see the river, you see a little stagnant pond, woods, dirt, you know, that's my favorite. The hike bike trail, which isn't my favorite, but lots of people love them. I like the hike bike trails at Winton Woods. That's about the only one so far I've ever been on that I really like. But this was a really cool park. I'm not saying anything bad about it. We all have our own preferences. So, yeah, would I come back? I said I'm not going to say that. Yeah, I probably will. There's nothing I really didn't like about it, except I messed up somewhere in the woods. Imagine that. I do have a funny to share with you. I did have to go to the restroom. I didn't go in the portalet because they're just nasty. So if I don't have to go, I'll go in a real toilet. So I went into the real one. And I put my phone and my selfie stick in my fanny pack. And when I was pulling my britches down, apparently I jiggled something or hit my SOS on my phone. And then I didn't realize it. So I'm in the stall and all of a sudden I hear sirens going off. I set off my SOS. I'm like, oh my God, that's so funny. I can't believe I did that. So that's my funny for the day. I'm finished, I guess. You know, be your own judge. It's beautiful here. Absolutely gorgeous. If you like what you see, head on out. The hike bike trails, simple. I mean, probably even on a wheelchair on the hike bike trail, not the woods. So thank you for watching. I know I ramble when I get tired. I appreciate you all. Have an awesome day.